welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Francisca. Fikeni pale, subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Today is a big day. It's my birthday day. I'm so grateful to God and happy. If you are new to this channel, please welcome and feel at home. And welcome back for the returning subscriber. Get my hug. I love you. Now today someone has surprised me with a very big gift. Let me tell you guys. No people. Let me show you my gift. What no? Now is that my gift? Let's open the gift now, guys. Nimekutamani kuwa na hii nini hii ya nne, so hii ni 50 by 55. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Is it really this one? Is it for me? Is it for me? We, gani? Nirarue hii karatasi. Sasa nitatoa aje? Nirarue. God. It's not that easy. Guys, here we go. Sasa hizi nyingine tutajua baadaye. Oh my God, I'll be able to bake. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, oh my goodness. Mbona uli? Mimi si Diana B. Sina machozi. Oh my God, what a thoughtful gift. Get out of here. Goodness, what are these? What is this? Let's check. What is this? I really don't know. Guys, down in the comment section if you know what this is. I don't know. Universal power bank. Shit! It comes with a power bank. I've never seen a power bank like this. Wait. Eh? Guys. It comes with a power bank. It's written universal power bank with a charger, and this the power bank. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Hey. Let's go on the road. There are two. Oh my God. Oh my God. There are two. Ni power bank ya simu ama ni what? What? I'm just mesmerized. We? Ni power bank ya simu ama ni power bank ya gas? There are really two of them, and each has a charger. Wow. Okay. So guys, I think hii ni ile ya kugrill for grilling chicken, I think so. There's a manual here. There's this wire. It's a baking or a fire. This one. And that's my gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for getting me this gift on my birthday date. I thank you so much. And may God continue blessing you. I want to show you hapa ndani. Now tulisema kama gas haina nozzle, if it doesn't have this nozzle, this small thing here, it consumes a lot of power, but because it has the nozzle, it will consume little gas. Okay guys, let me show you what I was using before. Now guys, this is what I was using before, from this 2 burner to 4 burner. Set it, pick up, set it, pick up. Nipe, ni shande, ni seti, ni chape. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please comment down below what you think about the 3 burner and 1 electrical plate. Yeah? Now, the other one I think I'll give away. I don't know, maybe. Because now I'm using this. Sasa hapa naekelea sukuma, nyama, ugali, chirin. Bye guys, I love you so much. I have a lot of love for you. For those who have subscribed, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye. See you on the next one.